champion, campione. Before we get into today's hashtag live sessions, please consider getting yourself one of the Arise and Shine Champion 40-day inspirational, devotional, transformational tools. We'll drop a link in the description down below. And yep, with that being said, let's get into today's session. Siyabangena. To light up, the entrance of the house. So those two light bulbs ceased to work, so they weren't working anymore. So I tried to do the manly thing, and I went to the shop and I went to go get light bulbs. And I got the right light bulbs, because obviously you got to check whether it's screw-ins or bayonet light bulbs, and I went and I got the right light bulbs. It was screw-ins. I was so proud of myself, right? So there I go. I come back to the house and keep his steppies, put the steppies down, I feel like, Bob the Builder. I climb on top there, I screw the thing off, there's spider webs all over the place. I put the light bulbs in, pop. I put the next light bulb in, I feel like such a man. Put the light bulb in, pop. Close the thing, shai switchy, bing, ya lighter. Now I want to go tell my wife, because I feel like a man now, you know what I mean? I want to go tell my wife, I just did it. I love you, I just did it. I put the light bulbs in. Big accomplishment. So I go to my wife and I tell her, it's working. I put the light bulbs in. And she says to me, there were light bulbs in the cupboard. I didn't have to go to the shop to get them. And she wasn't saying that to discourage me. It was a lesson that God was trying to teach me, that sometimes the blessing is closer than what it seems. I love the way Dr. Miles Monroe puts it. He says that your future is not ahead of you. Your future is inside of you.